In Middleton, homeowners take pride in creating neighborhoods that feel welcoming, well-kept, and full of charm. Whether your home leans toward modern elegance or classic design, one feature that can completely transform its exterior appearance is new window installation. Windows play a major role in defining your home's character. They frame your view from inside and serve as one of the first things people notice from the street. Over time, however, aging windows can lose their appeal, making even the most beautiful homes look tired. Installing new windows not only refreshes your property's appearance but also adds value, comfort, and energy efficiency. Here's how a professional window installation can enhance curb appeal and help your Middleton home stand out in the best possible way. Modern designs that refresh your home's look. Old or outdated windows can make your home look dull or neglected. Fading frames, peeling paint, and worn-out styles often clash with Middleton's vibrant, well-maintained neighborhoods. Replacing them with modern, well-designed windows instantly revitalizes your home's exterior. Today's window options come in a variety of materials and finishes, including vinyl, fiberglass, and wood-clad frames that suit both contemporary and traditional homes. Clean lines and updated hardware provide a crisp, elegant finish that boosts visual appeal. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of double-hung windows or the bold, modern look of black-framed casement designs, new windows can give your home a fresh personality that complements its architecture and enhances the entire neighborhood's aesthetic. Increased natural light and visibility. Curb appeal isn't only about how your home looks from the outside, it's also about how inviting it feels from within. New, larger, or strategically placed windows allow more natural light to flood your interior, giving your home a warm, open atmosphere that radiates from every angle. From the street, homes that appear bright and welcoming naturally stand out. Clean, clear glass without fogging or discoloration enhances visibility and reflects sunlight beautifully, giving your exterior a polished, well-cared-for appearance. Professional installers in Middleton can also help you choose window styles that complement your home's shape and size, ensuring that the light flow enhances your overall design rather than overpowering it. Custom styles that match Middleton's character. Middleton's charm lies in its variety, from newer family homes to older properties with timeless character. Local window experts understand these neighborhood aesthetics and can help homeowners choose designs that fit seamlessly into their surroundings. For example, colonial-style homes might benefit from traditional grid-patterned windows, while ranch-style houses shine with wide picture or sliding windows that open up the facade. Adding architectural details such as decorative trim or unique frame colors can personalize your look even further. When your home's windows match its architectural identity and the tone of the neighborhood, the result is a unified, stylish appearance that adds pride and harmony to the entire community. Energy efficiency and functionality that last. New windows do more than improve appearance, they make your home more efficient and comfortable. Older windows often have worn seals or single-pane glass that allow air leaks, moisture, and heat loss. Modern installations use advanced materials and insulation techniques to keep your home energy efficient year-round. Features such as low-E coatings, double-pane glass, and weatherproof seals prevent drafts and maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. For Middleton homeowners, this means lower utility bills and a more sustainable home, benefits that also increase property value. A home that looks good and performs efficiently sends a clear message: it's been well cared for, making it more attractive to visitors and potential buyers alike. Professional installation for lasting results. Curb appeal depends on both quality materials and expert craftsmanship. Poorly installed windows can lead to misalignment, air leaks, or water damage, all of which diminish your home's beauty over time. That's why it's essential to work with local Middleton professionals who understand the area's climate and housing styles. Their experience ensures each window fits perfectly, functions properly, and enhances both your home's interior and exterior appearance. With skilled installation, you'll enjoy smooth operation, energy efficiency, and flawless finishes that elevate your home's appeal for years to come. Final thoughts for homeowners in Middleton: New window installation is one of the simplest and most effective ways to enhance curb appeal. Modern designs, improved energy performance, and professional craftsmanship work together to give your home a refreshed, polished look that reflects care and pride. Whether you're updating a classic property or modernizing a newer one, new windows offer both beauty and practicality, helping your home shine as a standout in your Middleton neighborhood.